Mr. Richards, is this a joke? This system is terrible. It is broken. It will make the children feel sick. Relax, Mark. You worry too much. This company is very cheap. We need to save money. It is cheap because it is garbage. I am the technical director. I will not sign this contract. It is wrong. Being good doesn't pay the bills, Mark. We need profit. Sign it now. So, you only care about money? I will not help you do this. Then leave! You are fired, Mark! Get out of my office! You are making a big mistake, Richards. Goodbye. Deep breath, Mark. You can do this. Smile for them.
Daddy, you are early! Did you finish all the virtual worlds today?
Yes, Princess. I finished everything. I have a lot of free time now. Maybe a special vacation for us?
A vacation? That sounds wonderful, Mark. How was the meeting with Mr. Richards? Did he like your new ideas?
Oh, the meeting? It was unforgettable. Mr. Richards and I, we have a new plan.
Yay! Does that mean we can go to the park every day?
Every single day, Lily. I promise. The chairman needs to know the truth about Richards and V Corp.
Bye-bye, Daddy. Don't forget to build a giant robot for me in your office.
I promise, Lily. I will work very hard on a big project just for you.
Take care, Mark. See you at dinner.
Every morning he said goodbye with a smile, but he didn't go to work. He went to a gaming cafe in the city. He played games for 8 hours a day, just to hide the truth from his family. He wanted to protect his little girl's smile. But in this game, he felt like a loser. What am I doing? This is not a real job. Fired? Are you sure? Mark is the best technical director in the city. Why did Richards let him go? Yes, sir. It happened a week ago. People say it was about a contract with V Corp. Richards is a fool. Mark is too valuable to lose. Find him. I want to talk to him today.
Daddy, did you bring any candy from your new office? Let me check your pockets.
Wait, Lily. Don't!
Next Level Gaming Cafe, 8 hours? Daddy, is your new office a game room? Do you play games all day?
Lily, sweetie, can you go to your room and draw a picture for a few minutes? Mommy and Daddy need to talk.
Mark, there is no new virtual world project, is there?
I'm sorry, Sarah. Richards fired me a week ago.
I didn't want you and Lily to worry. I feel like a loser.
Mark, look at me. You are a hero because you said no to bad things. Losing a job doesn't make you a loser.
Lying to us, that hurts more.
I'm so sorry. I will fix this.
No, we will fix this. We are a team. Tomorrow is a new day. So, Mark, what is your plan for today?
I have a meeting with Arthur. He wants to talk about a new start.
Mr. Arthur? Richie says his dad is always very busy. Is he inviting you to his big office, Daddy?
He is a very smart man, Lily. Let's wait and see.
That sounds good. And for me, I am going to find a job today, too.
A job? Sarah, you don't need to do that. We have enough savings. I can handle everything.
Mark, this is my choice.
I want to do this. I want to share the worry with you. We are a team, remember?
I am in the team too. Today, I will help you clean the house, Mommy.
That is a very important mission. Mark, Richards is a fool. Come to Altair. I have a big office and a high salary waiting for you. I can't, Arthur. Not now. Why? Is it the money? I can give you more. No. For 10 years, I lived in that metaverse. Every tree, every street, I built it. And it was amazing! That's why I need you. It was my world. But in one day it vanished. My brain is tired, Arthur. My heart is empty. You need a fresh start. Altair is perfect for that. I need oxygen, not more code. Mark, you have Sarah and Lily. What is your plan for them? I will work, but with my hands. No more computers. Doing what? Helping Jack. He works at the port. I will be a dock worker. Really?
Oh, look at this. Is this your new drawing, Lily? Yes, Sophia. My daddy is working there today.
The harbor? You mean he is a dock worker? My daddy says only poor people work there. It's a dirty job for dirty people.
Lily, let's just draw.
Be quiet, Anna. Nobody is talking to you. Look at my pen, Lily. It's gold. My daddy bought it from a luxury store. Your crayons look like trash. My crayons are fine. Colors are about the heart, not the price. The heart? That's what losers say. Enjoy your poor life, Lily.
Don't be sad, Anna. My daddy says a person is rich because of their kindness, not their money. You are very brave, Lily. I'm sorry I didn't help.
It's okay. We are friends. That is more important than a gold pen.
Welcome to the real world, Mark! No computers here, just salt, wind, and iron. Everything is so big, Jack! Jack, how many more? Only 50 more containers, Mark! We have to lock them before the ship leaves. Oh. Ouch! Sarah, I can't move. My back is like a piece of old wood.
I told you, Mark. The port is too much for you. You are a 3D artist, not a giant like Jack.
You're right. I want to work with my hands, but maybe not those heavy things. I need something lighter.
Daddy! Uncle George was at my school today. He said he really needs a helper for his ice cream truck.
Ah, George! Is he still busy with his colorful truck?
Yes, he is. He's a good neighbor. He was asking about you today.
He is a good man. Maybe selling ice cream with George is better than lifting heavy iron at the port.
He has a new flavor, Daddy. He wants you to come tomorrow morning.
Okay, Lily. I will go see him. Look, Mark, it's not like the harbor. You don't need muscles. You just need a smile and a steady hand. Look at these colors. We have mint, chocolate, caramel, and strawberry. Here is your ice cream. 1 vanilla scoop.
Thank you, Uncle George.
1 vanilla, okay.
Friends! My dad is working outside today. He is at Uncle George's ice cream truck.
Ice cream? I love ice cream. What flavors does he have?
He has vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Please come and buy some after school. An ice cream man? Is your dad a server now, Lily?
Last week, your dad was a dock worker. Before that, he was a 3D artist. Why does he change jobs every week? Is he bad at everything?
No, Sophia. My dad is very smart. He is a 3D artist, but he is looking for the right work.
My daddy says, winners stay at the top. Losers run from job to job. Your dad has no vision.
He can't do anything real. My dad is brave. He is trying new things to help our family. Making people smile is a real job.
Whatever. My daddy is a big boss. He doesn't change jobs, he owns them.
Here is your ice cream. One perfect vanilla scoop.
Thank you. It looks very good.
I am glad you like it.
See, Daddy? Everyone loves your ice cream. You are a professional.
Thanks, Lily. My back feels wonderful today. Well, Mark. From deputy director to ice cream man? You look poor. Victor Harper, V Corp? You and Richard cheated my company! You sold us dangerous equipment just to win the contract! It is called business, Mark. Richard is smart. He knows how to make money. You were just a technical obstacle. That is why we kicked you out. I said no, because your equipment is trash. It is a danger to the people. I sent a letter to the chairman. Oh, that letter? Your chairman is my old friend, Mark. He doesn't care about your truth. He only cares about profit. You lost your job for nothing. You are all the same. You have no heart. Look at you, Mark. You are out of touch. You don't understand the world. Now, you scoop ice cream, and I build an empire. Enjoy your failure.
My dad is a hero! You are just a bad man!
A hero with no money is just a loser, kid. Come, Sophia. This place smells like a cheap life.
My dress costs more than all your ice cream.
Just a little more red. It looks beautiful on you. Thank you, Sarah. You are very careful. I love it. I am happy you like it. I want every customer to feel special. Sarah, your skills are still amazing. You are the best artist in my shop. Thank you, Vivian. I am happy to be back. My customers always ask for you. Your hands are very steady and professional. I try my best, Vivian. I need to work hard for my family. Well, you are doing a great job. I am very lucky to have you here.
Excuse me, are you Mark? Yes, that's me. Why? Do you want ice cream? I am sorry. I am sold out. We are not here for ice cream, sir. Our chairman wants to meet you. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a historic day for TrueVerse. We only choose the best partners. With V Corp, we will build a metaverse that is perfect and safe for everyone. We believe in quality and trust. Thank you, Richard. V Corp is the future of technology. Our products are the best in the world. Together, we are not just making money. We are making a better world for our children. Stop! There will be no signing today! Mr. Chairman, why are you here? And Mark, why are you with him? Victor Harper, your products are trash. They are dangerous and low quality. You lied to the world. You have no evidence. My products are perfect. I have the best evidence. Mark is a technical expert. He has all the files. He saw your secret deal with Richard to buy cheap equipment and steal money from our company. Richard, you fired me because I said no to your lies. But the truth is more powerful than your greed. Richard, you are a traitor. You are fired. Security, take him away. Victor, the partnership is over. V Corp is banned from our industry forever. Leave now! Everyone, meet the man who saved our company. He is honest. He is talented. From today, Mark is the new director of TrueVerse. Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you, everyone. Today, I am back. But TrueVerse will change. We will not build a world of cheap tech and danger. We will build a world of truth and safety.